Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We at Health is Priceless go to great lengths to produce all of our videos with sound and relevant information that truly applies everyone. None of us are exempt from the concerns or conditions that we address. We do not believe in coincidences, and we feel that there is always a timely reason for viewers to connect with our videos. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We will do our best to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. A guide to healthy eating and meal prepping for a balanced life. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be a challenge. With busy schedules, it's easy to fall into the trap of convenience foods, fast food, and unhealthy snacking. However, healthy eating is crucial for overall well-being, and meal prepping can be an excellent strategy to ensure you stay on track. This video will serve as a comprehensive guide to healthy eating and meal prepping, providing tips, strategies, and meal ideas to help you live well. The importance of healthy eating. Healthy eating is more than just a trend. It's a cornerstone of a balanced life. The food you consume directly impacts your physical health, mental well-being, and energy levels. A diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall quality of life. Physical health. A balanced diet provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function correctly. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates all play a role in maintaining bodily functions, from repairing cells and tissues to producing energy. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats ensures that your body gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. Mental well-being. What you eat also affects your brain health. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants, are known to support cognitive function and mental clarity. On the other hand, diets high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can contribute to mood swings, anxiety, and depression. By focusing on healthy eating, you can support your mental well-being and improve your overall mood. Energy level. The food you consume is the fuel your body uses to produce energy. Eating a balanced diet helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent energy crashes and keep you feeling alert and focused throughout the day. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide sustained energy, while sugary snacks and refined carbs can lead to quick spikes and drops in blood sugar. What is healthy eating? Healthy eating involves making mindful choices about the foods you consume. It's about eating a variety of foods that provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Here are some key principles of healthy eating. Balance. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy, or dairy alternatives. Each food group provides different essential nutrients, so including a variety of foods in your diet ensures you get all the nutrients your body needs. Moderation. Moderation is key to healthy eating. It's not about completely eliminating certain foods, but rather about enjoying them in appropriate portions. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain and other health issues if consumed in excess. By practicing portion control and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, you can enjoy a balanced diet without overindulging. Variety. Eating a variety of foods helps ensure that you get a broad range of nutrients. Different foods provide different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, so it's important to include a wide range of foods in your diet. Aim to eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, try new recipes, and incorporate different types of proteins and grains into your meals. Whole foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, are rich in nutrients and free from added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, while being low in nutrients. Mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to what you're eating, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals. It's about being present during meals and making conscious food choices. Mindful eating can help prevent overeating, improve digestion, and enhance your overall enjoyment of food. The benefits of meal prepping. Meal prepping is the practice of preparing meals or components of meals in advance. It's a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy diet, saving time, and reducing stress. Here are some of the key benefits of meal prepping. Saves time. Meal prepping can save you a significant amount of time during the week. By preparing meals or meal components in advance, you can reduce the time spent cooking and cleaning up each day. This is especially beneficial on busy weekdays when you may not have the time or energy to cook from scratch. Promotes healthy eating. When you have healthy meals prepared and ready to go, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy convenience foods or order takeout. Meal prepping ensures that you have nutritious options on hand, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. Controls portions. Meal prepping allows you to control portion sizes, which can help prevent overeating and support weight management. By portioning out meals in advance, you can ensure that you're eating the right amount of food for your body's needs. Reduces stress. Knowing that you have meals prepared and ready to go can reduce the stress of deciding what to eat each day. Meal prepping takes the guesswork out of meal planning and can help you feel more organized and in control. Saves money. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you can save money on groceries and reduce food waste. Meal prepping allows you to buy ingredients in bulk, take advantage of sales, and use up ingredients before they go bad. How to get started with meal prepping. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and organization, you can easily incorporate meal prepping into your routine. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started with meal prepping. Plan your meals. The first step in meal prepping is to plan your meals for the week. Start by deciding how many meals and snacks you need to prepare. Consider your schedule for the week and plan meals that are easy to transport if you'll be eating on the go. Next, choose recipes that are nutritious, easy to prepare, and that you enjoy eating. Aim for a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal. If you're new to meal prepping, start with simple recipes that require minimal ingredients and prep time. Make a grocery list. Once you've planned your meals, make a grocery list of all the ingredients you'll need. Organize your list by section: produce, dairy, pantry items, etc., to make shopping more efficient. Check your pantry and fridge for ingredients you already have to avoid buying duplicates. Choose your meal prep day. Choose a day of the week to do your meal prepping. Many people prefer to meal prep on Sundays, so they're ready for the week ahead, but you can choose any day that works best for you. Set aside a few hours to shop for groceries, prepare ingredients, and cook your meals. Prep ingredients. Start by prepping your ingredients. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains and proteins, and portion out snacks. Having ingredients prepped and ready to go will make it easier to assemble meals during the week. Cook your meals. Once your ingredients are prepped, start cooking your meals. You can cook full meals in advance or cook components of meals that can be quickly assembled during the week. For example, you might cook a batch of grilled chicken, roast vegetables, and cook quinoa. Then mix and match these components to create different meals throughout the week. Portion and store. After cooking, portion out your meals into individual containers. This makes it easy to grab a meal on the go or reheat it when you're ready to eat. Use containers that are microwave safe and leak-proof to keep your meals fresh. Store your meals in the fridge or freezer, depending on when you plan to eat them. Most meals will keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, while meals stored in the freezer can last for several weeks. Reheat and enjoy. When you're ready to eat, simply reheat your meal and enjoy. Having meals prepped and ready to go can save you time and stress during the week, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. Meal prep ideas for a balanced diet. To help you get started with meal prepping, here are some meal prep ideas for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. These meals are balanced, nutritious, and easy to prepare in advance. Breakfast overnight. Oats. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your favorite toppings, such as berries, nuts, and honey, in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and enjoy a ready-to-eat breakfast in the morning. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs with chopped vegetables, cheese, and your choice of protein, such as cooked bacon or sausage. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake until set. These egg muffins can be stored in the fridge and reheated for a quick breakfast. Smoothie packs. Prepare smoothie ingredients, such as frozen fruits, spinach, and protein powder, in individual freezer bags. In the morning, just add the contents of the bag to a blender with your choice of liquid, such as almond milk or water, for a quick and nutritious smoothie. Lunch mason. Jar. Salads. Layer your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar, starting with the dressing on the bottom, followed by hearty vegetables, proteins, and leafy greens on top. When you're ready to eat, shake the jar to distribute the dressing. Quinoa bowls. Cook a batch of quinoa and portion it into containers. Top with roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, avocado, and a drizzle of tahini or olive oil for a satisfying lunch. Chicken wraps. Grill or bake chicken breasts and slice them into strips. Assemble wraps with whole grain tortillas, mixed greens, hummus, and sliced chicken. Wrap tightly and store in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go lunch. Dinner stir-fry. Prepare a batch of stir-fried vegetables and proteins, such as chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Store the stir-fry in containers and serve with cooked rice or noodles. Sheet pan dinners. Roast a variety of vegetables and proteins, such as salmon or chicken, on a sheet pan. Portion into containers and reheat for a quick and easy dinner. Casseroles. Prepare a healthy casserole, such as a veggie-packed lasagna or a chicken and quinoa bake. Portion into containers and store in the fridge or freezer. Snacks. Energy balls. Combine oats, nut butter, honey, and mix-ins, such as chocolate chips or dried fruit, to make energy balls. Store in the fridge for a quick and satisfying snack. Yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh fruit in containers. Store in the fridge for a protein-packed snack. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up a variety of vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and bell peppers, and portion them into containers. Pair with individual servings of hummus for a healthy snack. Conclusion. Healthy eating and meal prepping are powerful tools for living a balanced and fulfilling life. By making mindful food choices and planning your meals in advance, you can nourish your body, save time, reduce stress, and enjoy the benefits of a nutritious diet. Whether you're new to healthy eating or looking to refine your routine, this guide provides the foundation you need to start meal prepping and eating well. With dedication and consistency, you can create lasting habits that support your overall health and well-being. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And remember, health is priceless.